This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Delamarter. Lakefront Rental Home Available in the Quaint neighborhood of Kenwood Village. This refreshed 3/2 home with large back screen porch will allow you to enjoy a perfect living arrangement in Vero Beach. This kitchen is the heart of this home as it's redone with granite, shaker white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, large island, extra bar seating, and good-sized pantry. Community offers gated entry, community pool, sidewalks, and tennis courts. Easy to show. Vacant and ready now? For more information, review the details below or contact Delamarter at 772-321-3056.